Hey there, I'm Brianna with WTI, and are you struggling with pain, maybe an injury? Then pick yourself up one of these TENS units by AUVON. This thing is so great for sore muscles, for injuries. Let me show you how I use it. You have two currents on this machine, A and B, and here I have them plugged in with the small squares. So here I have channel A and channel B. And so what you do with the two channels is, say for instance that I have pain right here in my arm. Then I would apply, here's channel A, one side of it, and on the other side. What you want to do is you want to cross section the pain. With B, I would put it here and over here. So remember, the original pain is right here in the middle. Now I have this great cross section that is going to be perfect to really target that pain. Then I just turn on my touch screen and I can select here. You have the buttons on the side to increase the level. So here I will increase A. Ooh, I'm already feeling it. I'm gonna just click B here and also turn up B. I really feel it, and this is only on 3. This pain is getting targeted perfectly. Of course, this applies for any area of your body, so this is really handy, and you also get these large electrodes if you're doing a larger area, maybe on your back or on your legs. This TENS unit has relieved so much pain that I have in my back and my shoulders. It has a great touchscreen, and I think you're gonna be happy with this and definitely in less pain. So pick it up, but that's just my point of view.